See guys, this is a new lawn, or you can say a small park, and weather today is very beautiful. I like this weather. It is about to rain, and see the lush greenery right now here, and it is because of this rainy season and heavy rain. You can't imagine this beauty. Now it is raining, and I am here to show you the lush greenery. You can see this, such a beautiful campus, and I cannot see this kind of campus anywhere in India. We really enjoy here. Really means really, and we try to maintain this lush greenery and this ecosystem here. In winter season we used to sit here and study, right? So see this, and in this left hand corner my center is situated, and this is the place where we most enjoy, right? Thank you so much guys. I was just showing the nature, the weather, and this lush greenery and our park, Socio-Legal Park. Such a beautiful place. Board and the earth which can be enjoyed, which can be remembered. So see, this is such a beautiful place here, really.